Okay, welcome back to part 2. I have shown you in part 1 how to create the vision book and how to hyperlink it. I believe I did show you that. So now the next step is to add the photos. So it looks like this is already hyperlinked to this page. So one option is to actually just, search for some photographs in Canva. Now, obviously I put sulcata tortoise, so we're just going to pick up a couple sulcata photographs. Now, look, he's got a little piece of hay sticking out of his mouth. So cute. Okay, so I'm just going to make them expand so that they fit here. Yeah, nice. Okay, and I'm going to send this to the back. Okay, look at this. Sulcata tortoise. Okay, dream body. So then I'm going to type in abs, obviously, because I want to be buff. Hey, look. This is great. This is perfect. Literally, this is really all I need. This could just be me. Imagine it. There it is. Abs. Yeah, then we can duplicate this. And dream abs. Hey. I'm also going to duplicate this, but I'm going to change the photo. Okay, so yeah, basically you would just, spend your time filling up this book, and it's as simple as that, and now I'm going to view it. So yeah, it's taking me, okay, here we go. So yeah, if I click on here, it'll take me to the next page. Perfect. Now, another handy dandy thing that we can do here is add a home button to every page. So, for example, I'm going to place this home button right here. Okay, so now, if I click it, I can add a link to the index. Oh, did I do it? No. Okay. I'll do it for this one as well. Okay, so let's give a demo of this. Okay, nice. Let's see. So if I click on Dream Pet and then I click Home, it brings me the index. If I click Dream Body and then I click this home, it's bringing me to the cover page. I did something here, but you can pick which one. It just makes it easier if you add a button to get you back to the beginning of the book, especially if you're going to be taking this into an app like Goodnotes, where the hyperlinks will work. Okay, so this is about as much as I want to fill this out right now. So I would go to share. Let's say I'm done. I would go to share and download. And now, I don't know, depending on what you want to use it for, I am going to always do PDF print, because if I wanted to print it off, it's perfect for printing. You can flatten it. You can include you can include crop marks and bleed if you want. And then when you import this into Goodnotes, you can, utilize the hyperlinks. So everything will work. And Now, I know this tutorial was showing you how to make a vision book, but you can do this for a planner. Like, say you want to sell digital products on Etsy. Well, I just showed you how to make a digital product you can sell, even if it's not a vision book. Imagine if this was an ebook or a recipe book or something like that. A planner, if you will. It could be anything. The sky's the limit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and be sure to like and subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful. Also, definitely subscribe, because I know how hard it can be to find a YouTuber again if you're not subscribed to them and you just can't remember their name. So instead of struggling like me, subscribe, and then you get to see my next awesome video, which I'm going to be filming right after I end this one. So, yeah, I'll be posting every Tuesday and Thursday in 2023. That's my new goal. And I'm going to get monetized, and yeah, I'm going to help you guys create some great products in the new year. But yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy creating!